You're in love with her. How do you tell her though? I mean, it's not easy to say everything you want. There are some times when you feel too shy to just tell her. But don't worry, I decided to make this video especially for you so that you can share all your feelings and secrets with your girl easily and quickly. First, you need to plan in advance on what to say. Preparation is key. It's better to come prepared with what you want to say than to try to mix it up on the spot because you might say something you don't mean. Practicing your speech in front of a mirror a few times can also help. You can use some phrases such as, "I desire to be more than friends. What are your thoughts on giving it a shot? For a long time, I've had strong feelings for you. That feels good to get off my chest." Try flirting with or looking at your friend differently before approaching her. She may detect your attempt to change things and react accordingly. You'll usually know if a lady has romantic feelings for you. Second, don't be too nervous. She might say no, but don't dwell on it right now. Before approaching her, take a deep breath and engage in a calming activity. Consider the implications of telling her you're in love with her. This will undoubtedly alter the dynamics of your friendship, so proceed with caution and caution. The third step is to ask to speak with her in private. Go somewhere where you will not be overheard or interrupted. Having other people around can sometimes put people under pressure to respond in ways they don't want to, so respect her and your friendship by keeping the conversation private. Don't make a big deal out of it by lavishing gifts, yelling in public, or making a big sign with "I love you" written on it. Because simplicity is preferable, simply tell her as calmly and directly as possible. Fourth, use lighthearted conversation. To lighten the mood, ask her about her day or tell her about yours briefly. It will also help you determine her mood. If she had a bad day, it may be best to postpone the discussion about changing your friendship. Fifth step, test the waters by flirting a little first. Make eye contact and smile while complimenting her on her hair or clothes, or tell her you think he's cute. If he responds with, "Thanks," or "Hey, you too," it's a good sign that it's safe to express your emotions. It's best to back off if he responds with "Okay, weirdo" or "Thanks," in a skeptical tone. If he's not picking up on your flirting or is too shy, try asking her, "Have you ever imagined us together as more than just friends?" Everything will be revealed by his reaction. Sixth, avoid saying the word love until you've been dating for a while. It may move the relationship too quickly, which may frighten her. The best time to say it varies by couple, but try to wait at least a month or two after you start dating. Seventh, look her in the eyes, and calmly tell her how you feel. Take several deep breaths. Remember what you were going to say and try not to improvise because it will make you feel even more nervous. Take your time getting the words out, there's no need to rush. The eighth and last step is to tell her that you value her as a friend and don't want to lose that. When a friend tells them they have feelings for them, it can come as a surprise. She needs to understand that you're not just interested in being around her because she's your girlfriend. If she appears confused or surprised, you can say, "Please take some time to think about it. We've known each other for a long time, so there's no need to rush. I don't want to be in a relationship right now, I understand. I want you to do what is best for you, and if that means remaining your friend, that's fine with me. I'm not going to be angry with you if you don't feel the same way. I value your friendship more than I value being your romantic partner. You've been courageous enough to tell your friend how you feel about her, and now you must be strong enough to deal with the consequences that follow." Telling someone how you feel is never easy for very many reasons, but if there's one thing that I can say, it's that it gets easier with practice. If you take my advice, the next time won't be any harder than the first time. It will also be worth it, because I promise you that she feels just as strongly about you as you have always felt about her. But at least you'll know and can move on with your life if the relationship doesn't work out. Check the next video on how to accept the outcome. Thank you for your time. Keep subscribing.